If you spend any time outdoors, you know the right gear can make or break a trip. Today I'm testing gear that could be considered essential for your next trip outdoors. Hey everyone, it's Travel with Tyler. And on this channel I review gear so you can spend time outdoors and not worry about what works or not. Now I'm going to be linking all of these in the description below. They are Amazon links. I'm not affiliated. I don't get any kickback. The prices may fluctuate. I'll do my best to explain what I paid for it, and this is all out of my own pocket. Let's jump into today's lineup. First, we're going with the Ogery Camping Light. It looks like a certain monster from a certain 80s series on a certain television streaming platform. Okay, I think this was on sale when I purchased it. I want to say right around $50, $60, something like that. It is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. It's included in this head unit. The stand goes to 6.5 feet tall. There's a little push button on the bottom to release the legs. This acts like any kind of tripod. And then the unit just screws on top like that. What's neat about this head here is it has magnets on the bottom, so you can hang it from something. It also has a hook in the bottom. It's kind of hard to take out with your finger, but you can hook on anything you can think of. All right, let's talk about the three lights. So they just pop out, multi-directional too, so you can turn them any which way you want. As you can see, this is very bright. It has different modes, different dimming modes, but very bright light. You also have just a flashlight in the middle there as well. Let me get my eyesight back here. This puts out about 2200 lumens. Now let's talk about that 10,000 milliamp hour battery. It will function for about 22 hours on the low mode. So that's fantastic. When it's charged with your standard USB-C cable, charging can take about 7 to 8 hours for a full charge. Compact and portable, it's about 4.5 pounds total, and it's about 20 inches in length. Makes it easy to bring around with you. But it's not just for the camping trip, right? It could be for your garage. You know, I wish I had the opportunity of holding a flashlight for my father when I was a young kid. This would do good in a pinch. But outdoor gatherings, you name it, this light comes in handy. This has a 4.5 star out of 5 rating on Amazon. I think this light would be a great addition to anyone's camping set. All right, moving on. This is more of a comfort piece. I consider this to be essential, especially in the desert where we live here in Utah. Things can get really hot really quick. It's 90 degrees right now. It's gotten up to 100 degrees before, especially if you go down south. So I like to get myself a portable fan. Now this is from a company called OnlyNew. Again, highly rated on Amazon. 4.5 out of 5 stars. I think when I bought it, I paid $25. It's on sale. All right, so in the box, it looks like we have the unit here. And again, we have a charging cable that is also USB-C and some documentation. So at first glance here, it's very light. Also has a hook, which is super handy. You can hang it on inside my truck, in your tent if it's a sturdier pole. Let's go over the controls here. So on the front here, there's a button. It also is a light with a couple settings. And you have your different speeds. There's 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. It's actually doing a pretty good job. I knew I was cool, but now I feel it. So stupid. This fan is a brushless motor, so it's super quiet when you're using it. This fan has a high capacity battery. I believe it's a 20,000 milliamp hour. Yeah, which only takes about 3 to 4 hours for a full charge. And you could have this running for up to 24 hours, depending on the setting that you use it. I haven't tested that out yet, but I've seen fans that are similar with that battery specification. It is a bit on the bigger side, but you could put this in a backpack if you really wanted to, depending on where you're going. Like I mentioned, southern Utah, Zion's, Arches, you'd want a fan, but I don't know if I would bring it with me. It seems like kind of a waste of space, but you have that option. You can put it in your car for sure. This would go in the back of my truck. What I like is it has, I think it said it was 270 degrees that it can turn. Little handle too. I did just notice too in reading the instructions, you can pull off this front cap here and you can put your favorite oils in there for aromatherapy. I don't know if I would do that, but again, the choice is yours. With that fan. Is this product worth it? I'd say if you find yourself running hot like I am all the time and you need something to cool you down quickly, for the price, $25, yeah, that's probably the price you pay for a big model at you know, Home Depot or something, but that's gonna be corded obviously. Even if you were to get the low end of 10 hours usage on a full charge, that's enough for a night's rest. I would definitely have this in my kit. Well, the next product I want to go over, I'm sitting in right now, this camping rocking chair. I have to admit, this is the one that I'm most excited about. I mean, it shows that I'm getting older, but I'm excited about a camping chair. This is the GCI rocking chair. Obviously, it comes with a drink holder. It's a comfortable armrest, and what I like about it, I'm a bigger guy. I'm 6 feet tall, 250 right now. I get a lot of chairs where it like digs right here into my hips. Not a lot of that going on. It feels pretty comfy, and of course the rocking is a good feature too. This one's another highly ranked product on Amazon, 10,000 reviews, almost 5-star. This one comes in at about $70, which I know you're probably saying that's a lot for a chair. I tend to agree, but you really get what you pay for with camping chairs. You buy those cheaper ones at Walmart that are $10, $15, it's going to cut into your hips a lot. They're going to break easily. They're not going to have this rocking feature. Let's go over some of the features. Comes with a shoulder strap there, which is great. I want to talk about this kickback rocker hydraulic technology. Both of these are patented spring action rocking technology. It allows you to gently rock on flat, hard, or soft terrain. Now this is a steel frame, holds up to 250 pounds, so I'm right there. Has a mesh fabric to it that allows cool air to come through. I'll show you how easy it is to pack up. Just like any other kind of camping chair. Has a strap here. You just close there, and then you're ready to go. To open the chair, there's a tab here with some fabric, and you just pull it apart. Got the armrests. Put the chair, and you're off to the races. Has a lower sitting profile, which I like, and it's not that hard to get out of. You have your standard cup holder and a pouch here for keys. You might be able to fit a cell phone in there, just like that. The chair is going to run a little bit on the heavier side at just over 10 pounds, so keep that in mind also if that weight's worth it to you for this rocking motion. And there you have it. Your next barbecue, tailgate party, camping. When is it not cool to have a rocking chair? There's something about that smooth rocking action. Really makes things comfortable. I think at $70, it's a bit of a gamble. If you're into the rocking, I would definitely look into it. It feels good, it feels sturdy. A lot of great reviews online. But if you're just looking for a camping chair, I would opt in for something different. I have one from Walmart. That's a wide chair because I'm a bigger guy, and it is really sturdy, and I think I probably paid half the price. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to go over that one, and I'll be more than happy to. So I'll leave this one up to you guys, but the rocking feature is really nice. On to probably the most important piece of gear that you're going to bring camping is your shelter. Now I know that when you get to a campsite, the last thing you want to do is mess around with the tent. What if a pole is broken, or you know the kids are fighting in the car, or you lost the instructions? It could be a real challenge. What if I told you you could set up a tent in under 60 seconds? This is the Zetta C6 Pro Insta Cabin Tent from Fantic Outdoor. This company says that 6 people can fit in this tent. It runs for about $160 on Amazon, which is about average for a tent this size. Let's get into it and see if we can set this up quickly. Here it comes in this carry case here. Looks like it has a tarp built into the floor, which is really handy. The bag is also going to come with a set of instructions on how to set the tent up, and your warranty card, which I believe it comes with a 1-year warranty. All right, let's get this rolled out here. You want to make sure you pull all the legs out. You're going to pull from the middle here. I'm going to pull the pole up until I hear a click. And then continue that all sides. You'll hear it right here. Just like that. You have your tent set up. It also includes the rainfly done up. Oh, that's gonna be like a mesh pocket for you. Now, to put the rainfly on, you want the Fantic Outdoor to be in the front. And you will bring this down here and clip it to the body of the tent. And you'll continue that around. Now, it did come with a bag of stakes. You obviously stake them down to the corner here. And then this is also a little welcome mat. That clips right here in the front. How about let's check out the inside of the tent. All right, so right off the bat, we have 3 windows. Now, I'm 6 feet tall and I run right into the ceiling here, but that's just fine. You can hunch down a little bit. Still plenty of space, I think. Here's where this mesh net would go up here to store whatever you like to. Be a good spot for keys, wallet, that kind of thing. There's another vent that you can use those guidelines to open up for some air. There's another pocket there for storage, as well as by the door there. I'm laying down and it's not even, I mean, I have plenty of room here. When I say 6 people, probably 4 with some gear, 3 with some gear. Also, what's really cool is has this little opening here. I'll show you what that's about. That's for a plug. You can put a cable through there, so if you have like a portable power and you want to bring that in there, you can do so. Each of the poles have a quick release here. You just push that. And you're going to fold these back in on themselves. There you have it, the Zetta C6 Pro by Fantic Outdoor. Yeah, obviously I haven't taken it out, but it seems like it's a good value for how quick and easy it is to set up and take down. Yeah, let me know if you give it a try in the comment section if it works for you. And also, let me know if you guys like these review videos. Definitely want to do more of them. And if you're new, consider hitting that like and subscribe button. And until next adventure, we'll see ya.